So for this one, we want to find the linear speed of the tip of the propeller. So we know from the last problem that omega, or angular velocity, is 125.6 radians per second. And we know that r is 1.15 meters. So how did we know that r is 1.15 meters? Well, it gave us that the diameter is 2.3 meters. So we just divide that by 2 and we get 1.15. Okay, so now we're looking for v. Let's see if we can get an equation that'll help us solve for v. So if I look here, this equation gives us v, but we don't have acceleration, we don't have r. We have r and we have omega, so that'll allow us to solve for a. And once we have a, then we have r and we have a, so then we can solve for v. So that's one way we can do it, using these equations. But also there's actually an easier way we can do it. When we have r and we have omega, check it out. If we have r and we have omega, we can solve for v, no problem. So let's just use that equation. V equals r omega. All right, so v equals r 1.15 times omega, which is 125.6. Using my calculator right now, 1.15 times 125.6, and we get 144. And that's going to be in what? We know that this is in radians per second, so that's a standard unit. We know that this is in meters, so that's a standard unit. So V will also be a standard unit, meters per second.